Alright traders, hello and good morning. It's 7:30 on the 26th of June 2020. Alright, so guys, I did actually end up taking the Euro Pound long as well. It was last night around 9:30 Perth time. I'll just bring it up. Pretty much a break-even trade, unfortunately. So I got in here and I had the take profit. I think it was at the high of that candle, just when it began resistance. So that would have been 56. No, it was actually 53. It was 53 that I had it at. It didn't quite hit it. The high of that candle was 48. So a little unfortunate, but and then I moved the stop loss. I had an automated stop loss. It moved to pretty much break even, and there it was. So like on review of this, just on the hourly time frame, I can see the situation, but it did bounce pretty nicely. Obviously, the 5 out of 5 entry for me would have been at the close of the high of that candle at 19. Instead, I got in at 27, so that probably would have moved the take profit a little bit lower. I was risking around 0.5%, and yeah, overall context as well, I was looking for European stimulus agreements and things of that nature, and I didn't have a concrete plan on the timing of it. I just saw the price action. I was like, okay, something's going on. I was actually about to get to bed, but I sort of had everything planned out because I had been looking at this, but it just doesn't seem to sort of have the momentum, unfortunately. So it's still just floating around. I thought it was actually going to take off here as the trade closed out, but it didn't do that. So that was, really, once you've taken a trade and it's not looking like an opposite entry, so if you go long and it's reverse and you go short, you shouldn't really just watch it, because it's a little bit unsettling. Aussie dollar. So I was watching the Aussie dollar earlier this morning as well, and that sort of looked like a potential buy trade, but it's just, it's pretty uneventful, honestly, and it's sort of, there's a cloud hanging over the Aussie dollar just with the current risk sentiment as well, so that's something to pay attention to. I'll see how the S&P's finished. I don't have the S&P's here, unfortunately. What do I have? Aussie yen, Aussie CAD. Okay. So the US dollar is looking like it might roll over a little bit, so we'll see. Yeah. So I don't quite have all the information right now to say, equity markets are rallying, but we'll see how the Australian markets do today, and then I'm probably not going to get into a trade on Friday night. I'll probably just let things play out. Monday we'll come back and we'll just see if we are going to see a bit of a breakout on the Aussie. I'll get the Aussie against US, or if it's going to be more of it's sort of pied here, it's sold off, and if it just continues to sort of consolidate. Alright, guys, that's the video. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.